Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are taking good care. Yes. Children, before we start a lesson, let me ask you some small questions which you are aware of. Children, do you know cell phones? Yes, it sounds a bit silly, but still I want to know that do you know the cell phone or not? I think you all know that. Not think, but I'm sure that you all know that. We all play many games in cell phones. Yes, even to learn anything, to play, for all the purposes, we are using cell phones. Not only you, everybody is much more addicted to cell phones. Yes, children. Nowadays, a day without cell phone can't be predictable because we are using cell phones for every information. We are using to know the information from Google and from YouTube. We are seeing the videos, cartoons, everything. Yes, so we all know cell phones. Does anybody know the landline phone, children? Landline phone sounds tring tring, and that is the name of our lesson. But in mobiles we had many options. We can set a ringtone, caller tunes, everything. But in landline phone we don't have that much options to set everything. So here is a conversation of a phone between two. So children, what do you say when you pick up the phone? Let us see the telephone conversation. Manish: hello, may I speak to Mr. Gupta please? And the other person, Rohit, lifted the call and he is asking that, may I know who is speaking? Manish telling, my name is Manish. I am from HBI Bank. Rohit is replying like this, I am afraid Daddy is not at home at the moment. Again Manish told, any idea when he is likely to return? Rohit answered, I am sorry, I have no idea. Will you please hold on for a moment? Rohit calls his mother. Mrs. Gupta is telling like this, hello, Mrs. Gupta here? Manish answered, hello, Mrs. Gupta. This is Manish from HBI Bank. It seems Mr. Gupta is not at home. Can I phone him in the evening? Mrs. Gupta, sorry, he just gone out. He said he would be back in the evening. Would you like to ring back tomorrow? Manish told, right, I'll phone again tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. Mrs. Gupta told, bye. In the evening time, Rohit is doing like this. Rohit answered a call and he is answering like this. Good evening, uncle. I am Rohit. Is Rohan at home? Roshan is father of Rohan. Good evening, Rohit. How are you? Yes, Rohan is at home. I'll call him. Be on the line. Rohit is telling, thanks, uncle. And Rohan, hi, Rohit. And Rohit also told hi to Rohan. And Rohan is answered, why didn't you come to school today? Rohit is telling, I wasn't well. So Rohan is telling, how are you now? Rohit replied, I am much better. Is there any homework, Rohan? Rohan answered, no, there isn't much. But we need to learn some multiplication tables and a few questions and answers. I am coming to your house now. I will give you the details. Rohit answered, thank you, Rohan. I'll wait for you. Bye. Rohan also replied with bye. As the bank person called and he asked about Mr. Gupta, then the son Rohit lifted the call and answered that he is not at home, and he also told that he is afraid to talk with him. As soon as he called his mother and she told that Gupta is not at home and he will be back by evening. So she asked to call in the evening, or else she asked to call tomorrow. Then the bank employee said thank you and bye. After that Rohit called his friend Rohan, and his friend's father lifted the call and answered him, and Rohan talked with him. So it is a conversation about homework. As he didn't went to school, the conversation between them is to ask about the homework. See children, whenever we answer a call, we have to know some things. Means we have to say hello. As soon as we lift the call, we will say hello. Then we have to ask who is on the line and whom they want and where they are from. And these are the main things which we need to know when we get a call. As soon as we lift, we should ask these things. Who is talking, or else whom they want to talk, all these things, because they wanted some information or else something important as they call us. And as soon as we know the information, we have to pass it to the relevant persons or else to the elder ones in our house. So children, I think that you are known how to answer to a phone call and what are the points to be remembered, isn't it? Yes, we should be very clear while conversating with the other person, and what the information they wants to know, we have to give the clear information without making them confused. Okay, let us see the following questions children from the lesson. How many phone conversation did you find in the text above? That is 2 conversations. Fill in the following tables children. Phone call 1. Who called in the first conversation? Bank employee, that is Manish. Who received the call? Rohit. Rohit received the call. Who does the call want to talk to? They want to talk with Rohit's father, that is Mr. Gupta. And in phone call 2, who called in phone call 2? Rohit called in phone call 2. Who received the call? Roshan, father of Rohan, received the call. And who does the caller wants to talk with? The caller wants to talk with, caller means Rohit. Rohit wants to talk with Rohan, his friend. Okay, third question. Why did Mrs. Gupta speak to Manish? Because Rohit is afraid and also Mr. Gupta is not at home. The thing is explained to him. Mrs. Gupta explained to Manish. So, she answered to him. What did Mrs. Gupta tell Manish? She told that her husband went out just now and he'll come back by evening. And also she asked him to call tomorrow. Why didn't Rohit go to school? Rohit didn't went to school because he is not feeling well. See the true or false children. Manish works in a bank. Yes or no? True or false? True. Manish is a bank employee as he called in the first conversation. Rohit's father is Mr. Manish. Is it true children? No. Rohit's father is Mr. Gupta. So it is false. Mr. Gupta is coming back home late in the evening. Yes? True. Rohan didn't go to school. Children, who didn't go to school? Rohit or Rohan? Rohit didn't go to school. So it is false. Rohan didn't go to school is false. Rohan is going to Rohit's house to tell about the homework. Yes. As he called and asked about the homework, Rohan told that he is going to come to his home. So, Rohan is going to Rohit's home. True. Thank you.